bayan ko.
Welcome you all to this 2017. This serves as an appropriate avenue and enhanced compliance in the evolving transformation that the Bureau, their support and cooperation in
way, dear taxpayers and friends. The LTS has set an ambitious collection goal through Executive Order 175. 2016, there are 2,320 large.
Good afternoon. This is going to be very, this word destiny, as really Philippines. Mayor Rodrigo Duterte.
Po kayo. Secretary Carlos Dominguez, Sir Cesar Dulay, pati nagmumura ako. Kaya sabi nila, basahin mo na lang sa English, Mayor, kasi you tend to be emotional. I am not actually. Most probinsyano yan. Hindi niyo alam. Tugade is from Cagayan Valley. But he's bright. Valedictorian niya namin sa... Para lang magbarkada-barkada kami noon in Davao. And I told them that pipilitin ko to. We must have order and we must have peace. Otherwise, I would consider it a failure. And I was appointed, I was a prosecutor. And I never wanted to be. Sabi kasi ng nanay ko, ayaw niya. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte of the Republic of the Philippines. From the BIR, from board was signed by all of Dominguez. And finally, may we request officials. Ayan po. Now may we request everyone standing at to prepare for our second batch.
Ikaw ang